Hello, welcome to Downtime Fun. Today I'm going to try and solve Yuu Asaka's most difficult packing puzzle, the Jigsaw 29. It is rated as the most difficult level 10 puzzle, and so let's see how long this will take me to solve it. Here you can see 4 of the corner pieces. Well, actually I have missed out one of the pieces here. So you may ask, what's so special about the corners? In one of my earlier videos I solved the Jigsaw 19 puzzle where all the 19 pieces seems to be corner pieces with right angled corners. Here I'll show you a close-up of one of the pieces. As you can see, the loop here has a flat edge, which means this can actually be part of the border of the puzzle, just like so. This is one thing that I've learned from solving Yuu Asaka's puzzle, which is never assume that we need the flat edged pieces to be at the border. Even the loops can be placed at the border. So at the start I just randomly picked one of the corner pieces and worked from there. With my experience I gained from solving 4 of Yuu Asaka's puzzle earlier, hopefully I will be able to solve this smoothly. At around the 8-minute mark, seems like I have almost completed one of the edges of the puzzle, but I got stuck with the corner piece. This one is a bit too big and the whole edge has gone out of the frame, so I know this is not the correct piece. After 2 more minutes of trial and error, I have finally found a piece that fits and I can continue to move ahead. I guess I'm more used to solving this type of packing puzzles, and so you can see from my video I didn't really have to do too much of trial and error, and I can sort of pick out the correct piece just by looking at the shape of the individual pieces. This really gave me a great feeling while solving the puzzle. It felt very smooth and I felt good about my intelligence, so to speak. At around 12 minutes I have already completed a third of the puzzle. I continue to use my observation skills to match the loops and sockets. Just like here, you can see there are 3 sockets around this piece, and there is actually only 1 piece that will fit this space, so it's quite obvious. The good feeling continued, and I continued with the momentum, solving the puzzle just by looking at the shapes and putting it in the frame. It's funny that I almost feel I have some sort of natural power and I can just put the correct piece without trying out. And at the 14-minute mark I have completed more than half of the puzzle. This actually surprised me a bit because it is rated as a level 10, but maybe it's also because I have solved the Wave 5, Wave 7, Ice 9 and the Jigsaw 19 puzzles earlier. So I have quite a good feel of how Yuu Asaka's design concept is. And in the end, it took me around 16 minutes to complete this puzzle, which was much quicker than I expected. However, the process of solving the puzzle was very enjoyable, so I won't complain that it took so little time to complete this one. Looking back, there may be an element of luck at the start where I picked a good starting corner piece. My time of 15 minutes and 52 seconds seemed to have beaten some of the more popular puzzle channels, Mr. Puzzle, Puzzle Guy and Chris Ramsay. So take that. For me, I find the Wave 5 and Wave 7 puzzles being more challenging than this, even though they are rated at a lower difficulty level. But I guess different people find different types of puzzles challenging, so I may be a little bit better with these type of jigsaw types of puzzles. All in all, I think this puzzle is an excellent jigsaw type packing puzzle, and I highly recommend any jigsaw puzzle lovers or general puzzle lovers and give this a go. It's really fun. That's about it for this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I will try to upload at least one video per week, sharing some puzzle solutions, or I'll just share some interesting toys and puzzles that I've been messing around recently. In the meantime, take care and see ya!